This is grade A, 100% pure
My
Colombian
talk
cocaine,
time.
ladies and gentlemen.
Spit that
Disco
crack,
shit.
man.
Rich who, is it you? Is you getting gas?
No.
Cause I see it coming to you hella fast.
No.
When I saw you, it's like, boo, I just had to ask.
No.
Rich who, is it you? Is you getting gas?
Probably like, why you started the video naked? CPT Fitness, it's your boy Rich. So today we in the kitchen, we got a little recipe. Told y'all, make sure y'all look good naked. So let's go. All right, so what we got here today? We got some wild kale, got some mangoes, got a lime, banana, you know, the coconut water, that's a fact. So I'm gonna show y'all, we're gonna introduce this into our recipe, our repertoire. You guys who aren't putting this in your smoothies or your drinks or boiling it down, this is a must, all right? This is a must. So we got garlic, we got some ginger, and we got some turmeric and an onion. I know you're thinking, an onion? Yes, onion. And of course we got a pineapple here. So we're about to chop it up and we'll be back. Okay guys, I finished cutting up the stuff. So that's the pineapple. This is our onions. This is the garlic. This is the ginger, our mangoes, our kiwis, our limes, the turmeric, got the banana, and we got our bushel of kale. And of course we still got our coconut water. But what I'm gonna do is, what we're not gonna use, I'm gonna put them in some plastic bags, right? So you can make it easy and accessible. Look, cheap plastic bags, right? Only took us some time. So we're gonna put them in the plastic bags, and once they're in the plastic bags, I'll put them in the freezer, and you could always just go and grab a piece and throw it in the blender or your NutriBullet or any juicer that you have at any given time. This is very, very, very convenient. So I'm not gonna drink all of this kale at one time. I'll take off a piece, right? Or I'll break it down, put into there, and we'll break off pieces. So we'll be back with the pieces that we did not use, and we'll be making our drink. All right, 20,000 hours later, here we go. This is the stuff we're gonna use to make our shake. Put them to the side, and I put the rest of the stuff inside the bags, right? We got our bananas there, our mango, our ginger, our turmeric, kiwi, the kale, right? And all those stuff. Onion, don't forget. You gotta put that onion in. So a lot of people take onion, garlic supplements. What's the point of taking the onion and garlic when you get the onion here, garlic here? And this is not a drink that you have to drink every day. I would say 2-3 times a week, and maybe that's even too much. I say if you just start out once or twice a week, this is great. And I got a bunch of other drinks that I'm gonna show you, but this is a little variation, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a little bit of ice inside of the cup, and I'm gonna put the contents inside. So we'll do that. I like to put a good amount of ice. Throw my veggies down in there. Put my banana in there. Put my mango in there, pineapple, and all that good stuff. Oh, where you going? Get some of that kiwi in there. Got turmeric, and stuff it down. It's a lot of stuff. Ginger. All that good stuff. Don't worry about that later. Get everything straight set up. Okay. Coconut water. Nice, making it sexy. Okay, got a little bit of pulp in there. At least to cover the contents. Okay. Make sure it's on that snake. NutriBullet old. So you want to make sure you check it out. We'll see what it is. Okay. This is a little bit like we need. Put some ice in there. A little more ice. Have a little slush to it. That's a fact. Throw it back on there for a little more longer. Sludge. Oh, man, close it good. Oh, shoot. Oh. See? See what I'm saying? Oh. Alright. Alright, so wipe that off. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Okay. Right, not too bad. Right. Might be a new taste, something you gotta get used to. But it's gonna make it feel good. Right? Very easy. The ingredients we had. So these are the drinks that you have to drink. Right? You gotta drink these. Right? Men, if you're having problems in the bedroom, you gotta drink them drink, yeah. Right? Get your blood flowing, all that stuff going. Ladies, if you have a problem with, right, down there, right, urination, using the bathroom, you have to drink them drink, yeah.